Sacred Lomi teaches workshops and retreats rooted in Temple Style Lomilomi. The Hawaii retreat on the north shore of the Big Island teaches all of the flowing forearm runs on the back and front of the body, as well as deep work and advanced aspects of the work. In this style of transformational bodywork, intention, presence, focus, and conscious touch integrate with the principles of Ho'oponopono, which means to forgive and to bring into alignment. As we work on the physical body, we heal in the present and heal energetically backwards and forwards through time. Our history is stored in the body, as are dreams, hopes, and fears. As we hold sacred space for the person receiving the work, we invite them to let go of anything that is no longer serving them and make room in their being for their most authentic self. At workshops and retreats, students practice and receive the work, cultivating a solid foundation in Sacred Lomi, while also having the opportunity to experience the powerful healing for themselves. Locally sourced delicious food, hula, time on the land, ceremony, and playtime are integrated with deep practice, transformation, and life-changing connections. The 7-day, 6-night Hawaii retreat is approved through NCB-TMB and many state massage boards for 48 CEs. For more information, please visit sacredlomi.com.